Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about solving a radical equation, and we have this example: the cube root of 3x minus 1 minus 2 equals 0. Well, let's move negative 2 to the other side. So we're going to get here the cube root of 3x minus 1 equals 2, right? Well, here we're going to take both sides of this equation to the third power, so we can remove the root, right? So here we're going to get 3x minus 1 equals 8, right? So we have 3x equals 8 plus 1, and 3x equals 9. Right? We're going to divide by 3 on both sides here, and x equals 3, and this will be the final solution. All right. Now let's take another example. Find the real solutions of the equation square root of x plus 1 equals negative x plus 1. All right. So well, we can switch this x with 1 here. Just change the side. So it will be square root of x plus 1 equals 1 minus x, right? We're going to square both of them, right? We're going to square both sides so we can remove the root. So here we have x plus 1 equals 1 squared. Now, well, this is the same thing as a minus b squared, right? Which is equal a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, right? So we're going to use the same thing here. So 1 squared minus 2 times 1 times x plus x squared. Here we have x plus 1 equals 1 minus 2x plus x squared. And here we have, we can move x to the left side and 1 to the left. I mean, both of them, we can move them to the right side, actually. And we're going to change the sign. So here we have, so we have 0. Here we have 1 minus 2x plus x squared minus x minus 1. Right? So this will go, and minus x minus 2x is negative 3x, so we have 0 equals x squared minus 3x, which is x squared minus 3x equals 0, the same thing, right? And here we have x, so we get x times x minus 3 equals 0. So x equals 0, or x minus 3 equals 0. So x equals 0, or x equals 3. And here we have two solutions, which is 0 and 3. I think the idea is, we get the idea here. So let's take another example, has to do with radical equations. Well, we have this one. Find the real solutions of the equation, and here we have the square root of 5x minus 1 minus x equals 1. Now, our goal, our purpose is to eliminate the root. So we need to square both of them. We'll square them out. So we're going to have so we can square this equation on both sides, right? Before we do that, we can do something easy here, because if we square this, we're gonna have a problem, right? We may actually it's the same thing actually. So let's move negative square root of x to the right side here. So we're gonna get 5x minus 1 equals 1 plus square root of x. Okay. Now we're going to square both of them. Well, here will be easy. We can just take the root out. Will be a 5x minus 1 equals, well, here we have like a plus b squared. If we remember this one, now a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. All right, the special product that we learned before. And here we have 1 squared plus 2ab, 1 times, all right, let me just get this. So 1 times square root of x plus square root of x squared. Well, here we have 5x minus 1 equals 1 plus 2 times square root of x plus x. Let me just get some space here. Now, well, what we do here, we have, well, we can move 5x and negative 1 to the right side. And we're going to get 0, 1 plus 2 square root of x plus x, right? Minus 5x plus 1. So here we have 0 equals 2 square root of x. Now x minus 5x is minus 4x. So minus 4x. Okay. Well, actually, you know, let me just. Actually, the opposite. Let's move this to the right side. To the left side will be better. So we're gonna get this. So we're gonna get 5x minus 1 minus 1, of course. So minus 1 minus 2 square root of x minus x equals 0. Now what we did here, we just moved this one to the left side, and here we're going to get 5x minus x is 4x minus 2 square root of x, and negative 1 is negative 2 equals 0. Okay? Now here we still can cancel, we can simplify by 2 because we can factor out by 2 here. Let's get some space. Now here we can just factor out about 2 as a common factor. We get 2x minus square root of x minus 1 equals 0. Of course, when we divide by 2 on both sides, so 2 will be gone, and we're going to come up with 2x minus square root of x minus 1 equals 0. Now, well, here we're going to have, we need to solve this kind of, let's make it like equation, because there's a relation between x and square root of x. Now we know that square root of x squared equals x, right? So to make it easier for us, let u equals square root of x. So means u squared equals x. So the equation will be like this, will be 2u squared minus u minus 1 equals 0. Well, now we're going to have normal quadratic equation, okay? We're going to have a normal quadratic equation, and which will be 2u plus 1 times u minus 1 equals 0. All right? So here we have u. So here we have 2u plus 1 equals 0, or u minus 1 equals 0. Well, here u equals minus 1 over 2, or u equals 1. Well, let's see. Now we know that we substituted x, square root of x by u, so square root of x will be equal minus 1 over 2, right? Or the square root of x will be equal to 1. Now, the square root always positive, so we're going to cancel this solution here, okay? So we're going to cancel this solution, and we're going to come up only with this solution. So we have square root of x equals 1, means if we square both of them here, so x equals 1, and this is the only solution for this equation, okay? I think we get the idea. It's a little bit longer, but we have to follow the step to solve the equation. So I'll see you to the next video. Have a good day.